Welcome back to my channel Physics Globe by Shankar sir. In the last video, I explained the topic formation of stationary waves in the statue string and laws of transverse wave in the statue string in the chapter waves. And next topic harmonics in the string and open pipe, closed pipe. I will explain in the next videos. So subscribe my channel and watch videos regularly. Improve your knowledge in physics, dear students, and try to get good marks in IP examination and to try to get good rank in MSET, JEE Main and NEET also. Now today I am going to start another chapter, that is system of particles and rotational motion. Intermediate first year, according to Telangana, Andhra Pradesh state and other syllabus, this is our 7th chapter, intermediate first year, that is system of particles and rotational motion. Useful for to all, that is CBSE and ICSE students also. System of particles and rotational motion here. So in this chapter we have the topics angular velocity, angular displacement, angular acceleration, moment of inertia, torque, relations between them. So yeah, that is about totally rotational motion here. First of all, if you know the symbols, some physical quantities and kinematical equations and dynamical equations, analogous, that is comparison between translational motion and rotational motion. If you know the comparison between the translational motion and rotational motion, then subject will become very easy. Translation means here linear motion, that is rotational motion. So dear students, here in the translational motion, starting we will take here S, number 1. S is the linear motion, nothing but translational motion, that is displacement symbol. Here we will take here, that is theta. Theta is the angular displacement. Here u is the initial velocity in the linear motion. Here we will take here omega I, and or we can take some books also taken like omega naught. Omega naught. Initial velocity. This is initial angular velocity or angular initial velocity here. తెలుగులో ఏమంటామంటే దీని స్థానవంశం అంటాం. రేఖీయ చలనం, ఇది భ్రమణ చలనం. రేఖీయ చలనం, భ్రమణ చలనం. రేఖీయ స్థానవంశం, ఇది కోణీయ స్థానవంశం తెలుగులో. లీనియర్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్, యాంగులర్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఇంగ్లీష్. తర్వాత దీనిని తొలివేగం అంటాం. రేఖీయ తొలివేగం, లీనియర్ ఇనిషియల్ వెలాసిటీ. ఇది ఒమేగా ఏంటి? యాంగులర్ ఇనిషియల్ వెలాసిటీ, కోణీయ తొలివేగం. సింబల్ ఒమేగా ఐ ఆర్ ఒమేగా నాట్ హియర్. Next, number 3, V, final velocity in the linear motion. We will take here omega F, or simply we take as a omega. Omega F or omega. తుదివేగం అంటాం. రేఖీయ తుదివేగం, ఇది కోణీయ తుదివేగం తెలుగులో. నెక్స్ట్ 4th one, small a, linear acceleration, రేఖీయ త్వరణం, linear acceleration. ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుందంటే ఇక్కడ we will get here alpha, angular acceleration, కోణీయ త్వరణం. నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ we take here m అంటే మాస్ ఆఫ్ ది ఆబ్జెక్ట్, ద్రవ్యరాశి తెలుగులో మాస్ ఆఫ్ ది ఆబ్జెక్ట్. here we will take here capital I, that is analogy, means comparison. capital I is moment of inertia, జడత్వ భ్రామకం, moment of inertia. Mass, here moment of inertia. So here 6th one. Now if you take here, that is F, that is force, symbol is F. In this case here we take here torque, that is toe. Torque, we can say torque. బలభ్రామకం అంటాం. ఇక్కడ బలం, ఇది బలభ్రామకం. టార్క్, ఫోర్స్, టార్క్. If you take here P, small p, the linear momentum. Linear momentum, రేఖీయ ద్రవ్యవేగం. Here we will take here capital L, angular momentum, కోణీయ ద్రవ్యవేగం. Capital L. These are the main physical quantities which have similarities in the translational motion and rotational motion. My dear students, should focus here. Try to keep fixed in your mind and subscribe my channel also. Share to your friends also. Next to from 8th one, here now we can write here equations, kinematical equations in both cases, translational motion, rotational motion. Here we can write first one, we well known to you. V equal to U plus AT. V equal to U plus AT. Here we can write as V, nothing but here we can write omega F or omega I. Omega F I will take here. Omega F or omega. Omega F equal to U means here we take omega I. Plus A nothing but we will take here as alpha. Alpha into T. So omega F equal to omega I plus alpha T. 9th one. We know S equal to ut plus half at square. S is nothing but here theta. 9th one. Theta equal to u omega I plus u into t plus half a is alpha t square. This is t. Be careful. Omega. So that is theta equal omega I to t plus half alpha t square. Next 10th one. V square minus u square equal to, we can write as 2as. 2as. Here we can write V means here we write omega f square minus omega I square equal to 2 alpha theta. See here. 10th equation. That is 10th one. Next 11th. Snth equal to, we know u plus a by 2 bracket 2n minus 1. Snth for nth time in second. So we can write here S means nothing but theta. Theta nth equal to u means here omega I plus alpha by 2 bracket 2n minus 1. These are known as kinematical equations. This is comparison between translational motion and rotational motion. Dear students, should practice and try to fix your mind also. So these are the, and next we have some dynamical equations here. Okay, dear students, here I can continue the next one of 11th one. Next 12th one. From 12th one we can write here dynamical equations here. Like for example, force equal ma, moment of P equal mass into velocity, like that here. Okay, so ready for next video also, and watch my videos regularly and subscribe my channel. Dear students, here should focus here very carefully.